Hello, today we're going to talk about the center of gravity and the experiments we thought of.
Welcome to Sathvidya.
This is our science club.
Hey Rakendu, look at this one I'm doing.
That's amazing! Let me try.
Wow, doing good. Keep practicing for some work.
Okay. Two and a half hours later. I hope this works. Last time I tried, my finger pains. I did it! Let's see what I have to do now. Oh, I forgot. I have to do a video about the center of gravity. So, it's time to do a video about center of gravity.
Center of gravity. It is a point where the mass of an object is equally distributed. Center of gravity is also called as center of mass.
Here are a few examples of center of gravity. The sun has most of its mass at the middle. That is also called center of gravity. In a building, you will need most of the center point probably in the middle, making it be stable. If it's somewhere else, like at the top right corner, it might fall. Now let's check the center of gravity of most uneven objects. And remember, on even objects, you can use line symmetry to find the middle point and do them. So, you need a colored pencil, as long as they have no eraser, a square thing, and put an X like this. And then you'll find the middle point. Now, put your crayon. Take some time. Look, it's standing. If you apply a little force to any object, you can balance it. For even objects, it's at the center point, but uneven objects, it can be anywhere except the middle. Uneven objects work differently. For example, if you put your finger in the middle of the spoon, it falls. Here are two ways that I'm going to show you to find the center point. Number one is simpler but slightly harder to figure out what area it is. Number one, you have to do this. Then leave it. If it falls this way, the center point is here. If it falls this way, the center point is here. And the only downside is that if it's somehow over here, you have to try every point. The other way is using a balancer. This does have a few cons, but we'll get back to that later. For this balancer, you might have it at home or you don't. If you don't, you can make one at home. I use tape, sticks, a stick, string, and 2 light cups that can't hold everything. So I made this balancer by taking a string and wrapping it up. Then use taping so then it won't slide out. Then I get another string and put it over here and tape it. And since this also has to be good, the best way is to put the stick in a center point, which is also a concept of the center of gravity. And the best way to do it is to measure the stick and putting it into the middle. Now, put the spoon parts here. If one part of the spoon doesn't fit, you have to break that into a few more pieces. Hey, look, they're balanced. Here. The only two downsides of this is, one, you might waste a lot of plastic spoons, and two, you need most of grown-ups' help, so yeah. So, now you know where to put your finger on for the center point. So, I got a Beyblade here, and think of that, I made this out of Legos, and look, they're all equal. So, if I spin it, it would spin for pretty long. But, like over here, if you put it right like this, it wouldn't spin for long. Sure, it might be a little good, but it won't spin for that long. And that's why center of gravity helps a lot in stuff like toys and other stuff. That's why center of gravity is important. Based on center of gravity, my grandpa made two videos about it. Let's go watch. I hope you enjoyed this video very much. And tune in next time for another video about a new topic. Bye! Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, like it and share it to your friends.
And for our notifications, please press the bell icon below. Thank you.